Xisbiga mucaradka ee hogaamiye Raila Odinga ayaa weli edeymo dusha uga tuuraya Maxkamada Sare ee dalkani Kenya Supreme Courte garsorayaasha sida ay wax u maareeyeen iyaga oo weeraro goosgoos ah ku haya. Waa kuwan qaar ka mid ah xisbiga Azimio La Umoja ee hogaamiye Raila Odinga oo ka hadlaya arintani.
You have noticed the attitude, the thuggery, the corruption, and the cynicism of the Supreme Court judges. The words that the Chief Justice used against us have never been used in our courts, even in the dark days of single-party rule and state capture of the judiciary. Chief Justice Martha Koome described our case, presented by the country's finest legal minds, as no more than hot air, a wild goose chase, incredible and hearsay evidence, red herring. These were words of the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. You have been here before. You have come from a judiciary that invested in threats and humiliation of litigants and advocates so that the country would not question them. That is the Supreme Court we witnessed in the presidential election case.
Once you are in the National Assembly or Senate, you do not only represent your constituency, you represent the entire country. You have a role to ensure things go according to the Constitution, that services are delivered promptly, and they must be quality services to our people. You must examine the laws that you're going to pass. But before that is bonding